Having an end screen in your YouTube videos will help get more views on your videos. I'll show you how to create one that is personalized to your brand. Before I hop into Canva, let's first talk about end screens so we're on the same page. End screens last for 15 to 20 seconds at the end of your video, and you can choose different combinations. You have all these different options here for videos and a subscribe, a playlist and a subscribe, 2 videos. Then you can just click which one you want and it will add it down to the timeline here. Because I imported these from the last video I did, it's already shrunk them down for me to right where I want them to be. But normally they're on the timeline for a full 20 seconds, so you can just click and drag these around to get them wherever you want. And then all of your elements have to remain within this area with the stripes, and then you can move these elements around wherever you want. They can't overlap or go outside that area. I've already got a template where I have this area all mapped out and the sizes of these elements. So if you want to get that, there's a link in the description. If you use that link, you'll be redirected here to our resource library, and you can open this document, which has a link that will take us to the template. So this area right here is the area you have to keep these elements within, and these are just in here so you know what size they will be. So let's start out by changing the background color, and you don't need to leave this in your final design. It's really just here to help us keep everything in the right area. If you want to upload photos of your own, you can do that here. You can add in your own photos, or you can also use elements. If you want to add any text, you can go right here. They have pre-designed items, or you can just hit T on your keyboard and it'll add some text in there. Then you can move these around to wherever you want. Alright, so now when you're done with your design, you can delete this back area if you want. You can also delete these elements if you want. If you want to leave them there so you know where to place those elements, I would recommend scaling them down just a little bit, even though they are the same size as the YouTube elements, just in case you don't get them lined up perfectly. You don't want a little bit of this color showing behind your image if it's not intended. You can do the same with these and scale them down a little. You can also scale them up if you want to have a little bit of a border. Something else you could do is also kind of stagger them. So your elements you put in YouTube would be like this, and you can just see a bit of this color off to a side. Then you just download a PNG and put that into your video editing software at the end of your video for either 5 to 20 seconds. And then once you upload that to YouTube, you'll be able to add in those elements and make that end screen interactive. If you have any questions on this, let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to help you out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.